everybody, my name's Professor Falcon, and this is going to be the introduction to Bird's Eye View. What Bird's Eye View is it's like just random fun stuff I do. Like how I have Cloud 9 on this channel, that's my favorite song. Well, it's not really a song, but whatever. And this is my eagle, but I call him a falcon because falcons and eagles are the same exact thing. So this channel's not going to have a lot of videos because my life is really boring. But whenever something fun happens, or I might be going to a place, I'll upload videos to this channel to let people know what I'm doing. And if there's a lack of videos on my other channels, you can come here and clarify what I'm doing, just to make sure that I'm not being lazy. And if I am being lazy, then you should yell at me very loud so I can hear it all the way from here. So, very loud. So that's pretty much going to be it for this video, and I'll see you maybe on my other channels, maybe on this one after this video goes up. So, goodbye.